Good afternoon, teacher. Today I want to share a very special experience. My trip to Arequipa with my family. Last year we went on vacations and everything was very exciting. First week I walked around the Main Square and took my photos to remember. Then we visit the monastery of Santa Catalina and lie and admired its history and its color, which caught my attention. Another a beautiful moment was when we went out to the Ja- Janawara Iwet Point from Darren, which sits the misty volcano and the world city. The Iwet was reality amazing as a Lotrin Rogodo region. For the first time, it first I toured its world a bit to species, but my family and like it was a different experiences. This trip is was very special because it was shared. Is is with my family visited new places and experiences unique traditions of the city of Arequipa. It was an unforgettable experience wise is with I always remember with my family, oral photos and anecdotes. Thank you, teacher.